Hi, welcome back to another session of Watches Oliver Smith. Today we have a super surprise for you, George. Do you want to tell them what it is?
No, not yet, not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Let's talk about what we're wearing first.
First, we want to talk about what we're wearing. So we have two Blancpains today that we're wearing. One is an estate piece and one is a brand new piece, which really caught my eye in the case this week. So tell us about these two pieces, George, if you would, please.
So this one here is an estate piece. It is a Blancpain 50 fathoms. It is the tribute to no radiations. And if you'll notice on the dial down at 6 o'clock, you have the radioactive symbol, and then it's blacked out. There's a cross across it. And there was a military version of this watch when they first started getting rid of the tritium and going into like supernova, superluminova, and it was letting you know that this watch no longer has anything radioactive on it.
Got it.
So they did a limited edition of 500 pieces.
How old? How long ago?
This is about 5-6 years ago. This one, like we always talk about, keep your box and papers. This one does not have its box and papers.
Gotcha.
So, but it is priced accordingly. We're at like 11.5 on this one. So it is for sale in our estate case here. Just a really cool example of something cool.
And that's a really interesting dial.
This one we just got in. Yeah. So this is the Blancpain 50 fathoms Bathyscaphe Desert Edition.
Oh,
so
very cool.
43 millimeters, stainless steel, day date, this beautiful kind of fade out dial. It kind of looks vintage. And then you have a brown ceramic bezel. If you flip it over, exhibition back, wonderfully finished movement. And this is
one of 500, like this.
One of 500 on this one as well.
Yeah.
So this one is actually brand new. These things tend to go very fast. They sell out very quickly. So I'm hoping to see the same with this one.
12,700.
12,700, correct.
Now,
now,
drum roll.
Now, so we have something really special here. It is a Lange Sohne that I've been chomping at the bit to get a hold of. This is the first we've seen in the metal of the Odysseus. So this is the white gold version. You're looking at a 40 millimeter day date from a Lange Sohne. They debuted this one in the stainless steel. And like a lot of other stainless steel sport watches from in-house manufacturers of this caliber, it is impossible to get. I probably won't see one here even being an AD for the next year and a half, maybe before I'll even remotely get to see one. This one here is here to see at Oliver Smith. It is not for sale. This one is actually on tour. It's going to all the ADs, all the boutiques, and this is our turn to have it. So it's my first chance to really see one in the metal, and I gotta say, it's better than I even hoped. You looked at the pictures and you go, okay, I'm gonna reserve judgment. Judgment reserved. It's awesome. It wears wonderfully. The correctors, the pushers on the side, aren't near as obtrusive as I thought they initially would be. You can't even see them. Every picture I saw, it looked like an asymmetric case. You saw this square side and this round side. In real life, it's not like that at all. The pushers are tapered, and you just don't see them.
Even on a skinny wrist?
Even on a skinny wrist like Oliver's, it fits perfectly. The integration between the case and the strap is absolutely fantastic. It looks like it's going to be a quick change. What I like here as well, usually you would want to use a movement you've already got in your stable for it. This one is an all-new movement dedicated to this watch. It's the first time they've ever done a day date, and it's the first time they've ever done, well, one, it's an automatic, which is unusual with Lange anyway, and two, this is the first time they've done a movement that vibrates at 28,800 vibrations per hour. So it's going to be a little quicker movement, a little more accurate, a little sportier. Exactly as the watch should have. So this is here for a limited time. I think we're going to have it the 28th of this month. So if you're curious, if you want to see it in the metal, please reach out to me. Come on down, say hi. We'd love to see you.
Yeah, if you have an interest in this watch or any other watches in the lines that we carry, please reach out to us. Go to our website, oliversmithjeweler.com. You're welcome to visit our boutique in Aspen, Colorado. Stay safe and stay in touch. Thank you very much.
Thanks now.